morning everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Falcon 64 project. Today I'm going to be installing the third member into the rear end housing. I got everything cleaned up. I got the lube blocker on there already. That's pretty simple. All you do is just smash it or put it up around the bolts. No silicone, no nothing, or RTB. And I got all the new bolts, and basically I got it all set up, cleaned up, ready to go right back in its spot. Alright, so like I said, I got the lube blocker on here. Now all we gotta do is get this up and in here. It's not the lightest thing. Try that. I was hoping I could just get it up on my stomach and then slide it up in here. We are just sitting here. Oh, there we go. Well, I hope that got on the video, because that was a little easier than I thought it would be. I love it when it works together like that, right? All right. Get all my new hardware out here. Do it that way. I went and got all new nylon nuts, new washers. Alright everyone, as you can see, I tightened up the bolts. I just got them snugged up. I did them at a crisscross all the way around. I'm fixing to torque them down 35 foot-pounds, and again I'm gonna do them at a cross back and forth, working myself around. might be a little bit of a challenge. I think I need an extension. I can't seem to. There we go. Alright everybody, that is it. Everything's torqued down to 35. I'll tell you this much, that was a pain in the butt. I got way too much stuff in the way with that big ass torque wrench. But it took a lot of manipulation, a lot of trial and error. But we got it all done. She's all in there.